Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites, where we take you on a culinary journey in just a few minutes. I'm your host, Chef Walter, and today we're diving into the world of natto, a traditional Japanese food that is as unique as it is nutritious. So, what exactly is natto? Let's find out together. Natto is a fermented soybean dish that has been a staple in Japanese cuisine for centuries. It's known for its strong flavor, sticky texture, and distinctive smell, qualities that often make it a love or hate food. The process of making natto involves boiling soybeans and then fermenting them with a specific strain of bacteria called Bacillus subtilis. This fermentation process gives natto its characteristic slimy texture and its potent aroma. And despite its polarizing taste, natto is a multi-nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with protein, vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. One of its most notable benefits is in its high content of vitamin K2, which is essential for bone health and cardiovascular functions. Plus, the fermentation process makes the nutrients in natto more bioavailable, meaning that your body can absorb them more easily. It is traditionally eaten as a breakfast food in Japan, often served over steamed rice with soy sauce, mustard, and sometimes green onions or raw eggs. The slimy texture might take some getting used to, but once you acquire the taste, natto can become a delicious and versatile part of your diet. It is also used in sushi, salads, or even as a topping for toast. Recently, natto has gained popularity outside of Japan, especially among health-conscious eaters. Its probiotic content makes it great for gut health, and its unique flavor profile has inspired chefs around the world to experiment with it in fusion dishes. And so, if you're up for culinary adventure, give natto a try. And that is all for today's Quick Bites. Whether you are a natto novice or a seasoned fan, I hope you have learned something new about this fascinating Japanese food. Hey, don't forget to subscribe for more culinary insight, and as always, keep exploring and tasting the world, one bite at a time. I'll check back with you next time. This is Chef Walter, signing off.